Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into an exciting kitchen gadget that promises to revolutionize the way you cook, the Ninja Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven, Model SP101. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, what exactly is the Ninja SP101? This is not just any air fryer. It's an 8-in-1 digital air fry oven that combines the functions of multiple appliances into one powerful machine. With 1,800 watts of cooking power, it allows you to air fry, air roast, air broil, bake, toast, bagel, dehydrate, and keep warm your food all in one space-saving design. Let's talk about some of its standout features. First up is the digital crisp control technology. This innovative feature ensures precision-controlled temperature, heat source, and airflow for optimal cooking performance. Whether you're looking to make crispy fries or a perfectly baked pizza, this technology helps achieve consistent results every time. Another key highlight is its versatility. The Ninja SP101 truly is the ultimate meal-making machine. You can whip up a delicious air-fried dinner in a fraction of the time it would take with a traditional oven. In fact, it cooks up to 60% faster than conventional methods, with a quick 60-second preheat time, allowing you to serve full meals in as little as 20 minutes. Now, if you're health conscious, you'll appreciate the fact that this air fryer allows you to enjoy your favorite fried foods with up to 75% less fat compared to traditional deep frying. That means you can indulge in crispy, delicious food without the guilt. Another impressive feature is its large capacity. The Ninja SP101 has a 45% larger usable cooking area compared to similar models, which means you can fit a 13-inch pizza, up to 9 slices of toast, or even 6 chicken breasts, making it an excellent choice for families or meal prepping. For those of us with limited kitchen space, the Ninja SP101 is a game changer. It takes up 50% less counter space when you flip it up and store it against your kitchen backsplash. This means you don't have to sacrifice counter space for functionality. If you enjoy perfect toast or bagels, you'll love the Toast Darkness Selector. This feature allows you to customize the doneness of your toast and bagels, ensuring they come out just the way you like them. Cleaning up after cooking can be a hassle, but the Ninja SP101 makes it easy. It includes a removable crumb tray and an accessible back panel for deep cleaning, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your culinary creations. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're a busy parent looking to prepare quick, healthy meals for your family, the Ninja SP101 could be a great addition to your kitchen. It's also ideal for those who love to entertain, as you can easily prepare a range of dishes in a short amount of time. And if you're someone who likes to experiment with cooking techniques, the air fry, roast, and dehydrate functions provide plenty of opportunities for creativity. In practical use cases, imagine whipping up air-fried chicken wings for game day, toasting bagels for breakfast, or dehydrating fruits for a healthy snack. The possibilities are endless with this versatile kitchen appliance. In conclusion, the Ninja Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven SP101 is a powerful, versatile, and space-saving appliance that can elevate your cooking game. Whether you're cooking for one or feeding a family, this machine has you covered. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.